Please.
No. No way. Aaron? Aaron? Aaron, is it you? Please tell me that was you. No way.
What's wrong?
Oh no, it wasn't Aaron Jam. Yasmin, was that who? Roll call. Yasmin may have looked onto our minds.
Well.
You had an explosion go off and you went, Aaron?
Look how the cookie crumbles!
I'm so excited. I'm so excited for Aaron again. I would have actually died.
Vindication! Liam's just kind of a cunt, isn't he? Alright, I'm coming, buddy. I got this.
What's happening?
Alright. Watch the master at work.
It's a parkour moment.
That was so. Okay.
You son of a bitch.
Oh, we should stop bullying Aaron. He's about to cry in the corner.
It's already crying in the corner. I thought that was a given.
Look at him, he's crying. Point from point. Look at the little man.
Aaron, I'm not gonna bully you anymore. Just for a couple of rounds. I've been a bit mean to you recently. Oh. Did he just jump off?
Did he die? Did he die?
Wait. I just never had to see both of you dancing and sick.
Here it is.
Aaron, give that flashlight to Liam.
I don't have a flashlight, I'm scared.
Here you go, Liam. I'll give you mine.
Oh, thank you, best friend.
If you look at the top left, that's the battery left.
Okay.
Let's play. So just turn it off when you're not.
We can recharge him on the ship.
Now you might think it's courteous to give it to Liam. It's okay. I'll get one. I'll just follow Aaron around.
I mean, if he falls, you can't get
Oh
it.
shit!
Hey!
He's still scrapped.
He's taking the thing.
That little motherfucker! You get your bitch ass back here, boy! I swear to fucking God, you come here! I'll fucking kill you! Leave!
Where's the exit?
We're trapped! I'm out of energy!
Oh, no, you should. Okay.
He's after you!
Hey, go swing! Oh, yeah, motherfucker! Yeah, take this fucking early piece of shit!
You're on the wrong side of town, bitch. Welcome to
Yeah,
Pain
fuck
Train.
you! Fucker!
Where did Aaron go? Is Aaron dead?
Man.
No fucking way.
He
Holy
died from the
shit.
bug. Holy shit.
Did you die from the bug? No, this is questions for after. I think you came this way, yeah.
Yeah, did he die from a bug or did he fall again?
There's...
Oh, there's some bottles here.
Where's the valve? There it is.
Oh, you got it? Oh, there's Aaron's corpse.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, what the hell?
What happened?
Exit.
There's a large axis over there.
So, hey buddy, I'm watching Yasmin being on her own. How did you go?
Shit! I tried to parkour to get this axis.
You
It's like-
idiot.
I'm so scared grabbing. I'm very heavy.
He left the flashlight.
This is what we call a dignified Liam moment.
God, if he actually got up and started moving again, I'd probably freak the fuck out and die.
Oh, here we go. He's gonna get lost.
Oh yeah, no, watching Liam is where we should be right now. This is it.
This is actually content.
This is actual content.
He really didn't want me to leave him alone, if you didn't notice. Yes, Liam, it's that. Liam, no! That's the way you came! think it's actually really good.
God, where's the exit?
Liam! Liam, please!
Liam's gonna get hit by a spider and just die.
I regret everything, Liam.
Oh, this is great. Kitesmith collected. That's great.
The worst thing he has to vote for yes. Oh, let's see what yes he's doing. Yes, checking the camera. Yet. Oh. She knows Liam's alive. There's Liam right near the exit.
Okay, that's the exit. Okay.
You can tell Liam is scared as fuck right now. He's like terrified.
Holy shit. Oh, it's pitch black. I told him.
Liam is going to die by
Jasmine!
Tyrannosaurus. He's just gonna get eaten.
I'm
The
scared.
dog. The dog's gonna annihilate him.
Oh God. Yasmin!
Yasmin is safe
Yasmin!
inside the ship.
Help me! I've never been more scared before in my life. Whoa. Hey, Yasmin!
He doesn't know to shut the fuck up. Oh, you can hear it.
Right there. I'm coming!
Come on. Yeah,
I'm scared!
Get ready for
I'm so
it.
heavy!
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, dying was worth
We're
it.
getting out of here.
Yeah, no, that was actual content. Actual content.
An extra
Yeah.
$40.
Yeah.
Talking about how death was worth it because watching Liam alone was content.
Yeah.
Dude, I was fucking terrified because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm scared.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the same planet, but you can't see shit. Let's go.
Fuck.
Oh, the flashlight does zero shit here. Oh, that's a bit close.
You sure I can't go with those two?
You know I'm not so bad, right?
Yes. That's the right answer, right?
Not with a question mark at the end, Connor. All right. Oh, hey guys. Oh, we're like right next to each other. Yeah, hi.
Oh, hey, Bessie. Hi.
Okay, well that was
I
great.
take back the thing that I said. I'm sorry.
What did you say?
I said we already got scrap losers because I heard you guys.
Connor was like complaining about being paired up with
Oh,
me.
hey.
It was like kind of just
I
mean.
made a joke. I was just joking, Aaron. Come on, Aaron.
It was-
let's go. We'll go this
It was
way.
more mean than anything. Like, goddamn. Wait, this way? Hello?
Another.
Help me! Connor! Connor, use your sign!
I'm coming.
Oh god! Jesus fucking Christ!
Come on, hurts, Aaron. Grab your shit. Let's go. Grab your flashlight.
Oh
Grab your
man,
flashlight.
where is it?
Go. Right here.
Oh, I got it, okay.
The key.
Okay, hang on.
Your safety horn is cringe.
Hey, Yasmin. Yasmin, do you
What the
copy?
fuck did you just say to me?
Yasmin, do you copy?
Over. Yes, I copy. Over.
What do you call a dinosaur with no eyes? Over.
No idea.
It's called a do you think he saw us?
I fucking hate you.
That was good. I like that. All right.
Motherfuckers, I can hear you laughing.
Oh, hey.
Hey guys. Fuck you.
All right. I'm gonna screw in
Come on, Aaron. You get parkour.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Aaron, please drop the horn. You can take the other.
All right,
two
everyone,
ones.
I'm going. I'm
Do you
gonna.
need a parkour?
No.
Really?
Actually, there is a. We should go the other way.
I'm going this way. Someone come with me. Who's that?
Hi.
Hey, Lee.
Actually, I think I'm pretty.
That is a fire exit.
Nothing.
Nothing there. All right.
There's parkour over there we could go for. Drop your horn for safety. It's the one item that can't be replaced. Okay. I got a hunt. Alright, okay. Oh my god, you did it.
There's nothing here.
Nothing in there at all? You barely looked.
No, it's one of those like nothing rooms. There's like literally nothing.
Do you live? You can do it. I believe in you.
Where?
I think. The amount is valued at 244. I mean, unless we want to drop the horn as well.
Hey,
But I don't think Aaron wants to.
hey, 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 hey.
Alright, we can leave.
Let's just fucking leave. Fuck Connor. He left me to die. Fuck that guy.
Oh, he's on his way back.
That's a shame.
Bye, Connor! Bye!
He doesn't have anything though, so.
He lost his sign.
That's so mean! He fucking killed me!
Aaron hit the switch.
Aaron absolutely hit the switch.
I fucking know. I'm going to wait till you die, loot that horn, and throw it into the abyss.